on, ladies and gentlemen. All right, we are had this job. It's a repeat customer. If you guys remember my videos, you'll remember. If you look at that backyard, you'll know what this job was. All right, if not, look on the it's one of the power washing ones with Sunny. It shows the power washing, shows the unit in the trailer. Check out the video, it's cool. All right, here they called me back. They have a problem with the front door. All right, we'll leave the tools in there for now. We're gonna go up and we're gonna see what's going on. They say they're having problems closing it, and the knob or something is loose. So let's see what we have, and we'll take it from there. We got double doors in the front, old doors. So we'll take a look. All right, so the issue is you're having a problem closing the door, okay? It's a little tough. You gotta lift up on it to get it to close. And these doors, back in the 50s or 60s, they're heavy, they're solid wood. So what happens over time is these doors, the weight of them tends to drop, okay, drop. Okay, if you look at the handle, the doors at the top usually drop this way. And a good indication is up here. You see a space. You see that gap? As you go towards the hinge side, it's a lot tighter. So what we have to do is we have to raise this door, okay? What you want to do is take it from being tilted a little bit like this, and you want to kind of bring it up. All right, the other thing is with these older doors, the weather stripping, the way these doors go together, it's this metal stuff. It's like a metal edging, and they sandwich together. This part here, when you close the door, it goes into this slot all the way down. So you want to make sure your slot doesn't have any bends in it, because if it does, you want to straighten it out. I got this little thing popping out here, so I'm going to tap that in with a hammer and get that flat. You want to check it all, okay? A lot of times customers try to fix it and they bend it and rip it out, and it has to be replaced. You want to check the back of the door and make sure your piece is all straight, okay? Check this one right here, this piece. All right, so what we're gonna do to get this door up is, you see these screws? You see we got some loose ones. We got a new brass one. Take that out. We're gonna send in a longer screw to catch that 2x4 on the inside and pull this door up, all right? So let's get the drill, let's get a screw and go to work. You see it's spinning? It's stripped. It's not going anywhere. So what we're going to do is just reach up here. You can basically take this thing out with your finger. All right, so I took the screw out. It wasn't super small, okay? It's right here, but it wasn't grabbing. It was stripped. It wasn't catching on to the 2x4. So I'm going to use, in my screw box, use one of these. We're going to put that in, make sure it's flush. And we're going to check the door for level. Get this thing started in the same hole. I'm going to have you drill. I had to go around and retweak some of this, okay? Obviously up here, you got to do this because you're lifting the door up. And down here, this edge right here was kind of bent out, so it would catch this groove on the door. I don't know if you can see if I can get it in there. See the groove going up the door right there where the paint's missing? When you close it, it goes into that piece of metal. So that metal you have to straighten out too, all the way up. You got to take your time. Don't go crazy, because if you break it, then you got to replace it. So when we shut it, it shuts nice. The heavy door. We brought the gap up a little bit. Okay, so it's pretty good. That's it. That's how you straighten out a sticky door. especially an older one like this. All right, so remember, if you like these videos, I mean, they're nothing big. A lot of people can do this stuff. But if you want to watch more, just hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications, hit that bell, and boom, you'll get an email or notification, a text or whatever when my next one comes out. I appreciate all the new subscribers, okay? And hit the like. I know it's not it's not the best video, but it's a handyman video. These are the jobs we run into, and you know what? It's winter time. It's a little slow. People aren't doing as much outside, so these are the jobs you're going to get. Okay, from cleaning dryer vents to fixing sticky doors. All right, so hit the like button, kid, and we'll catch you on the next one. Wait a minute. Yo, Sonny. Sonny? Sonny? Yo, Sonny. All right, so now that the door is fixed and it's open and closing properly, before you leave, go around and check all these here, all the screws. Make sure they're tight. If not, tighten them up. Okay. If you find one of them is spinning and stripping, grab some pieces of wood, little slivers, stick them in the holes. You can use toothpicks or whatever, jam them in the holes, and then put the screw in and get a nice tight fit. I went around and I checked all my hinges. Everything's tight, top, middle, bottom. All right, you just want to go in, no big deal, and give it a nice little snug tight. Look, we got a Phillips head, and we got a flathead screwdriver. So you can tell things weren't done properly, but it doesn't matter. Check all the screws, make sure they're tight, and give the screen door a quick look over. Make sure that's operating properly. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you fix a door, a front door that sticks, especially the older ones. Before I go and sign off for this job here, I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. When you're doing a job for a repeat customer or even a new customer, take a look at the outside. Look at stuff, If you find anything that's broken or rotted, I don't care if the mailbox, by the way, I put that mailbox in one of my videos. But if the mailbox is tilted, you find some flagstone cracked, anything, bring it up to the customer. Let them know, let him or her know you're available for that kind of work. And you come back in the spring, you pick up more jobs. All right, but look around. Treat every home that you go to like it's your own and the way you'd like to improve it. Now, if you're that person that has that beat up home, then you shouldn't even be doing this kind of work. If you have no pride at your house, what makes you think you're going to have pride at someone else's? All right, that's just a little heads up. Look around for things, bring it to their attention, and that gives you future work, okay? That's what we work for right there, cuz. There's nothing better than that right there.
Yeah, Sonny.
What do you want to do there, kid? You know Sonny, right?
Yeah.
All right, Sonny's my boy, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Sonny want a balloon?
Subscribe, share, and like, right, son?